Hey guys, so we have had the new shipment of the bars from the UK. Some of the bracketry is slightly different for the Ranger and Amarok, so we thought we'd update the video for you. This one here being the Raptor. This one's the same and pretty easy to install. So on the front of the bash plate here, there is 2 bolts. These are the only 2 bolts that we use to mount the front bar. So they can come out of the bash plate, the small bracket can get installed, and then the bolt replaced. Okay, so the fixings for the bar go on the outsides. Okay, so if you're swapping the brackets over, you want them on the outsides, and then it's just a case of putting the bar on the outside, the axle bars on the inside, and tightening them up. The adjustment for these guys is pretty good. The Raptor sensors and the Ranger sensors are really high up, so it doesn't affect them at all. So your best is to just adjust it as it looks good. For me, I find that that is close to the vehicle and down as far as it will go. So that's it for the Raptor, nice and easy.